Hey guys, today we'll be teaching you how to remove green screen from your video so that you can replace it with any other backgrounds on CapCut Desktop. Okay, so it's really simple, right? What you're going to do is first import the green screen video that you want to remove the green screen for. And in fact, if you go to this left panel over here, you click on stock materials and green screen. There's a bunch of other green screen assets, right, that you can replace it with any other stuff. Yeah, so let's go back to our core asset here, right? So we have our cat video. We click on it, drag it to the timeline here, and when we click on this video, you can see on the right hand side here, amongst all of the tab, there's one that is called remove BG, right? There's basic, remove BG, mask, retouch, right? For the purpose of this video, we're only focusing on remove BG, right? It just means remove background. So over here, we got to click on Chroma Key. Okay, we got to click on Chroma Key. We click on this box, the color picker gets activated, and when you hover your mouse over the video, you will start to see all of the green screen disappear, right? Because you are picking the color that you want to remove. So if you hover it on the cat, right, the majority of the orange is removed, right? If you hover it here, the green portion of the video is removed. So you got to click on it, right? And now there's a bunch of configuration here that we can adjust so that the green screen is removed properly. Okay, so the first thing that I usually do is to adjust the intensity. For non-pro user, this might just be enough, but if you look at the image, you're actually removing some parts of the original video of the cat. Yeah, see, you're starting to you can't go to the 100 because it starts to affect the core asset that you are trying to remove the green screen for, right? Which is why CapCut has other features that is available to help us achieve better results. Okay, so as you can see, because of the cat's fur here, you have a bunch of jagged edges, and that's not what we want, right? It's not clean. Okay, it doesn't look smooth. Okay, so what we want to do is to increase this configuration called feather edge, right? So if you look at this, let me show you the difference. Okay, so if you increase it, if you can start to see the jagged edges turn smooth. See that? Yes, that's exactly what feather edge does. Okay, so I'm just eyeballing this, and I'm gonna shift this to say 20. Okay, and the next thing that I will change is called cleanup edge, to remove the green portion entirely. So if you look at this, I will also move it to 20, and voila. See, now you have a cat that has the green screen entirely removed. So what do we do next? We want to add in a beautiful background to pair with this cute cat. What we do is we go to stock materials. Okay, I'm gonna look at trending backgrounds. Okay, these might not all be backgrounds, but there are some backgrounds over here. So we can pick something like this, a lemon background that is kind of cute, that pairs well with this. Oh, and for it to replace the background of the green screen video, the background has got to be on the main timeline track. Okay, so it's on the main timeline track, and the green screen video has got to be on top. Okay, so let me show you this, and here you go. We have our cat with a cute background with its green screen removed.